This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting your main accounts and confirming secure access so the app has reliable data. Once connected, create 3 clear financial goals with target amounts and deadlines. This steers automated suggestions. Now import or sync the last 12 months of transactions so historical patterns appear. Make sure to save a local CSV backup in case you need point-in-time records. By doing these steps first, you enable smarter categorization and accurate budget recommendations immediately. You now focus on structuring your spending so the app can act intelligently. Begin by defining 8 to 12 categories that match your financial goals, then create vendor and keyword rules to auto-tag recurring items. This reduces manual cleanup. Once rules are live, split complex transactions where necessary and assign percentages. Next, set monthly budgets and schedule recurring transfers or roundups to savings. Doing this creates automated behavior and visible trends, which helps the app produce useful alerts and forecast cash flow. You finish by validating results and exporting insights so your decisions are evidence-based. Reconcile each month by confirming balances, removing duplicates, and resolving pending transactions within a week. This keeps forecasts accurate. Then generate a quarterly report and export CSV or PDF files for taxes or advisor meetings. If something goes wrong, like a failed sync, first re-authenticate the bank connection, clear the app cache, and retry. If that doesn't fix it, capture logs and contact support. This final sweep ensures reliable, actionable
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.